In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Wix. If you want to keep a page on your Wix website without showing it in your main navigation menu, this is a quick and useful setting to know. Hiding a page can be helpful if you're working on a page that is not ready to be public in the menu yet, or if you want to share it only through a direct link while keeping your site navigation clean and organized. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you're in the editing view of the website where you want to make the change. This is important because page visibility in the menu is managed directly inside the editor, not from the live version of your site. Once you're inside the Wix editor, go to the left sidebar and click the Pages and Menu icon. This is the section where Wix lets you manage all the pages on your website, including how they appear in navigation. When you open it, you will see a list of the pages currently added to your site. Next, find the page you want to hide. You can either hover over it or click on it depending on your editor layout. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct page, especially if you have several pages with similar names. After that, click the More Actions icon next to the page name. This is the icon with 3 dots. A menu will open with additional options for that page. In that list, select Hide from Menu, or in some versions of Wix, it may say Hide from Navigation. Both options do the same thing. They remove that page from your site's visible menu without deleting the page itself. As soon as you do that, you will notice a small crossed-out eye icon next to the page name. This is Wix visual confirmation that the page is now hidden from the navigation menu. It's a simple but helpful indicator, especially if you're managing multiple hidden pages. Keep in mind that hiding a page from the menu does not necessarily delete it or fully make it inaccessible. It simply means visitors won't see it listed in your site's navigation. So if you still link to that page somewhere else, people may still be able to access it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.